It is very simple. What you're going to do, whatever you study, let's say one topic takes 20, 30 minutes. Okay? And as you're reading, you're going to mark what is hard, what is easy. And at the end, when you finish that chapter, take a minute break, breathe, just relax, and then go and all the places you have marked hard and medium, one line and two line, revise them right there. And that will take you about 1 to 2 minutes. If you spend half an hour, it will take you just 1 to 2 minutes extra. But your brain gets that repetition, gets that power. So whatever you study, when you complete a task, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but not more than 50 minutes. If you studied for 3 hours, that is too long. So 30, 40, 50 minutes, take 2 minute break, get up, maybe jump or get water, do whatever. And then revise the hard parts at least. Better revise the hard and medium parts. But if you mark too many things as medium, then drop them, just hard parts. And sometimes, like you have so much material, but you marked one here, two here, and that's it. See, uh, the whole book will not be marked 1 to 3 lines. Some are just description you don't have to remember. That's another point I did not mention yesterday. You don't have to have lines because some things so hard, medium, and easy for things you need to remember. Others are sometimes they're just describing, like in a physics book, there will be a few paragraphs they'll say this was the scientist, this is his photo, this is where he lived, and this is what happened. Now, those things, there's nothing to remember there. So that you never read again. You read it once in life if you read. You don't read again. Okay. So after you finish your class, revise. That is number one. So that's the homework today. You are going to take instant notes, whatever you study, and when you finish a topic, 30 to 50 minutes, not longer, you're going to spend 1 minute to revise the hard and maybe medium parts, maybe 2 minutes. That's it. That you're going to do throughout your learning phase. And then when you go to sleep, you're going to revise all the hard and all the medium parts. That's it. That's all the lesson today. And it is building on what you learned yesterday. And the magic again is it is incremental. You're doing little bit more, but the whole focus is on practice. There's no theory. Theory, if you want, you can like there are huge books on each topic. If you do this, your life changes. Every day, little bit more. Like these 5 days, that is what we're going to do. That's all the lesson today.